Okay. What do you want to get for it?
Thinking right around 55.
What's a number that you could walk away with cash in your pocket that you'd be happy with?
Cash in pocket, walk away with
35.
Okay. Is that the best you can do?
Yeah, I could go 30.
30.
Mm-hmm.
I just don't think that's going to work.
25. That's dropping it down.
Yeah.
10 from the 35.
If you can make it 20, I think I can get it done.
Ooh, okay.
20?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
For a limited time, you can get a free copy of Jerry Norton's Quickstart Kit with everything you need to flip your first house in 30 days or less. Download it now at myquickstartkit.com.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes. Is this Rodney?
Yes.
Rodney, hi. My name is Jerry. Calling you about a property I think you want to sell on Cherry Street.
Yes.
Great. Thanks for answering.
No problem.
I'm a buyer interested in this property you want to sell on Cherry Street.
Yeah, I am. I'm interested.
Okay. What do you want to get for it?
I was thinking right around 55. I know should be around 60 to 70, but 60 to 70 is what the, going market is for this size of home.
Okay.
It's good size. All the rooms are large. And just got a basement.
What's the square footage?
It might have.
Probably around 1,000 square feet.
Yeah.
I just want to be transparent with you. I'm an investor. I pay cash. I would come in and purchase it as is. Is it vacant or is it occupied?
No, I'm living.
Oh, you're living in it. Okay. So this is your personal residence.
Right.
And why are you wanting to sell?
Find something a little bigger.
You want something a little bigger. Okay. And why not list it with a real estate agent? Why call an investor?
I was curious.
I'm a cash buyer. I'm not an appraiser.
Right.
You're window shopping.
Well, I just don't know anything about this process at all. I don't know how anything works or whatever.
Okay. Well, let me give you the rundown. If you're looking for a retail buyer, that would be a homeowner that would come in and want to buy it to live in like you guys are. They're the highest paying buyer, but they're going to have really high expectations, right? They're going to want you to fix things. They're going to do inspections, appraisals. They're going to get a loan. It takes a long time. You have to pay real estate commissions. It's okay. 90% of real estate goes that route. If you're looking for an investor, then they come in, they buy it as is. You don't have to repair anything. You don't have to list it. There's no commissions. There's no waiting. You get speed, you get convenience, but the trade-off is it's cash. So you sell at a discount, and I would buy it at that discount. And then I would come in and fix it up and try to make money with it, renting it or selling it or whatever, flipping it.
You'd be flipping the house.
Or rent it.
Yeah, or rent it.
Or rent it.
Yeah, okay. I understand.
Yeah, let me look at some solds so we can look at what's going on there. I'm going to go back 6 months. I'm going to look at your neighborhood. Yeah, so I see a $65,000 sale, a $75,000 sale, real close by where you're at. Ideally, if you're thinking more about like just be done with it, not have to show it, not have to fix anything, not have to clean it up or any of that kind of thing, no intrusion, close in a couple weeks, cash in your pocket, walk away. That's who I am. That's what I would do for you.
What do you think, hon? I think that's the route to go.
I do.
I think we would like to go that route.
How long before we gotta get out?
Well, I work on your timeline. You tell me and we'll close when you're ready.
Oh, okay.
This is super convenient for you. That's how I do it. You tell me when you want to close and we close when you're ready.
That sounds good.
Are you looking to take the cash you get from this and buy something else?
Yes.
Okay. That makes sense. Yeah, I mean, right now, like the online, it has your house valued at $46,000 as the current value of the house.
Okay. Well,
by the way, that's down $17,000 since May. We're in a slower market now.
Yeah.
And it's projected to continue going down. So you want to think about that. The longer you wait, the less you get right now anyway.
Right.
That could turn around, but that's the trend right now.
Okay.
What would be your bottom line number? Like if you could walk away with cash and be done with it without all the headache, what's that number?
You tell me. I don't know. because we got to pay the loan off.
How much is your loan?
Loan was for 43,000, but I've been paying on it.
I think it bounced down around 3,000.
You almost have it paid off then you said 3,000?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Well, then that's easy. You pay 3,000. What's a number that you could walk away with cash in your pocket that you'd be happy with?
Actually, you're down to about $2,000.
Oh,
The cash in pocket, walk away with
35.
Okay. Is that the best you can do?
I didn't go to school for negotiation. Yeah, I know it needs a lot of work.
Yeah, I could go 30.
30.
Cash in hand, everything said and done.
I would have to pay off that loan plus some closing fees and things. So I just don't think that's going to work. Just because let's say I pay that number and then I come in and I spend $40,000 to fix it up, which is on the low side because everything just costs a lot.
Around here, that's on the high side. I mean, only 2,000 people in town.
Right, which means I have a labor problem, which means I got to bring in guys from out of town, and it's all just cost a lot now to do things. Nothing's cheap to fix up anymore.
Yeah.
So if I spend that money, then now I'm into it for value. If I pay 35 to buy it, you walk with 30, but I pay 35. I spend another 35. I'm right there at the value that homes sell for. I'll spend a lot of time and money and not make any money. See what I mean?
I know what you're saying.
I'm just being real with you. If you talk to other investors like me,
Yeah.
I think you're going to get offers in the 10 to 15 range.
25. That's dropping it down.
Yeah.
10 from the 35.
Yeah, I appreciate that. If you can make it 20, I think I can get it done.
Ooh. Okay.
20?
Yeah.
All right.
Gotta find a house now.
Rodney, what's your wife's name?
Marcia.
Marcia. Okay. And I got your email here, I believe. So what'll happen here is once we finish up the call, my assistant will email you over an agreement. So you'll
On my phone.
perfect. Yeah, you open that up. It's one of those electronic, like a DocuSign that you just do right on your phone. And then here's what happens next. I'm basing this decision off of the information you're giving me. So what we'll do is we'll do a walkthrough out at your property. And all I got to do is I just need to get someone over there to walk it. It takes 5 or 10 minutes. Just get our head around and make sure nothing weird's going on. And then as long as that's fine, we proceed to closing. How much time do you guys need to close? 30 days is typical. Could you be ready to?
Okay. I don't know if we'd be ready or not. We could be, I guess.
We could do 45 days. We could do 60. That 45?
45.
Okay.
45.
45 days gives you enough time.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll give you 45 days. Do you have any back taxes or anything like that, or is that all current?
I don't pay taxes.
You don't pay taxes.
He doesn't have to.
Why not?
Oh, yeah. We don't. He doesn't have to pay
Oh,
homestead taxes or anything. No, he don't have to pay.
oh,
that.
okay. Well,
I know.
thank you for your service.
Well, thank you, sir.
So it's a net 20 to you. So then I'll pay off that bank loan and the closing fees. Do you have any questions for me?
Not at the moment.
Not at the moment, no.
Okay, good. Well, I'm happy to help you guys out. Let's get this done. Just make sure you answer your phone, and we'll be texting and calling to get some things done and set up. And because we got to get the agreement put together, we got to get out there and do the walkthrough. Then we got to get to the closing, open escrow, they call that, get the title company. So just make sure you guys are available. We'll progress forward.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, good job. Okay, well,
All right.
congratulations, Rodney and Marcia. Excited to work with you guys.
Thank you.
All right, talk soon. Okay.
You made their night. They're so happy.
I think so. I think they're celebrating right now. Tough
All right.
negotiators.
I feel like he is going to tell that story for years.
Why?
Just the way he was saying it, it was adorable to listen to on this side.